Have you ever tried taking photos at night and ended up with a blurry, grainy mess? Maybe your subject looked like a ghost, or all you could see was noise and shadows. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Low light is one of the biggest struggles for beginner photographers, but here's the thing, it's not about buying new gear, it's about understanding how your camera sees light. Your camera is always trying to balance three things: how wide the lens opens, that's the aperture, how long the shutter stays open, the shutter speed, and how sensitive the sensor is to light, the ISO. In bright sunlight, that balance is easy, but at night it's a different story and you need to help your camera out. So keep the camera steady, let more light in, and don't be afraid to raise your ISO if you have to. If you're using a smartphone, good news, it does this automatically in night mode. Also, look out for any additional light sources, a street lamp, a candle, even a phone screen, and suddenly your photos come to life. In short, low light photography isn't about having the latest camera, it's about learning how to use the light you've got and how to get your camera to work with it. So next time you're out at night, remember, keep the camera steady, let in the light, and suddenly low light won't feel like a problem, it'll feel like an opportunity. And if you want to go deeper on this, check out the full video here. If you want more foundational knowledge, why not grab your copy of my free ebook? The link's down below for you. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you soon.